building numbers. Chloe and Ella are playing the number game using dice. Chloe threw the dice 3 times. She got 3 different digits: 3, 5, and 6. Ella, can you make 3-digit numbers using the digits 3, 5, and 6?
Sure, Chloe.
How many 3-digit numbers can be made using the digits 3, 5, and 6?
I got 6 different 3-digit numbers. That is 356, 365, 536, 563, 635, 653.
Can you pick up the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers from the numbers formed?
Sure. The greatest number is 653. And the smallest number is 356.
Good job, Ella.
Now it's my turn. Let me throw the dice and give you the digits so that you frame the greatest and smallest numbers. Ella threw the dice and she got the digits 2, 4, 6. So simple.
The greatest and the smallest numbers are 642 and 246.
Great! How did you get the numbers quickly without framing the possible 3-digit numbers?
Oh, Ella, it's not necessary to frame the possible 3-digit numbers. There is an easy way to form the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers.
Really? What is that easy method?
To get the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order as 2, 4, and 6. So, the smallest number is 246. To get the greatest number, we arrange the digits in descending order as 6, 4, and 2. So, the greatest number is 642.
Wow! It's so easy.
Let us build the greatest and smallest four digits numbers using the digits 7, 4, 1 and 9. To get the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order as 1, 4, 7 and 9. So, the smallest number is 1479. Now, to get the greatest number, we arrange the digits in descending order as 9, 7, 4 and 1. So, the greatest number is 9700.